What you see is me, how much I plowed so far today and how deep it is. There's already been some sublimation, but I reached to the house in front of the Bouchers, and I reached to the Holdens. Pretty ineffable, whatever that word means. It was used a lot in the book recently. So you can see their driveway a little bit. Cut to their driveway. Now up here you see my triangle, which is traffic calming. So all this I got rid of. And then here's Joanne's parents' house. Did that. And then here's our driveway. You can see that. Now I'm walking up to the street, which I did up until
all the places where it was cleared, it's melting pretty good.
Uh-huh.
You know, the temperature's up in the upper 30s. You doing okay?
Yeah. So then we did this other side too. Afternoon. Huh?
Good afternoon. Walking out to civilization.
Did all this. Carved out the Holden's driveway. Oh, they did their own driveway. I did this first this morning because they were stuck here. They were goofy trying to drive into town, but they were. And then I did up to where the car is.